Alright, here we got 2006 ml350 with the check engine light on. Now we're trying to diagnose the problem here. We got a P2187 system 2 lean at idle, bank 1. So that probably means we have a vacuum leak. So what I figured out is found out there was a leak behind the throttle body. And how I diagnosed it was I used a smoke machine, a fog machine, and hooked it up to one of these vacuum hoses right here. Hooked up the fog machine to his vacuum hose and ran it to one of the vacuum hose that goes to the throttle body here. And here I will show you how it works. Put the flashlight in. Alright, I got a button right here that I push for the smoke to let the smoke out. And here I'm gonna here I'm gonna push the button and blow smoke in there. As you can see, there's a leak right there. It's coming out that little hole right there. There's a little crack in the throttle body. I don't know if you can see it. It's right. Where is it? Where's that crack? Where's the crack? Oh, there it is. You see that little black hole right there? Right straight down in there. That's where the vacuum leak is coming from. Right there, that little black hole. So now I have to patch up that hole somehow. Alright, let me get down there. Yeah, in cold mornings it would not start because of that little hole right there, that vacuum leak. Luckily we found it. We diagnosed it. The cheap little mini fog machine.